All right, everyone, welcome to Implema Talks. This is Johan Söderström. I have a guest with me today, and we will actually try to cover a really interesting topic. It's something called SAP BDC. So I will actually have it's my cousin in names. It's another Johan, but it's our expert in terms of BDC. But Johan, who am I talking to? Who are Johan Berg within Implema?
Hello, Johan. Yes, I'm Johan Berg, and I work at Implema in the role as Business Development Manager. And that role means basically that I'm focusing most of my time in keeping aligned with SAP strategy, SAP solution development, and SAP go-to-market messages, and make sure that we at Implema are following what is happening in the SAP market. We need to do that, and we need to spend a lot of time doing that because there's a lot of changes going on, and we need to stay relevant to our customers.
Okay, so what about this new? Some people call it a buzzword, but it's more than that. I've seen it up front myself, but to get your hand on it in that sense. So SAP BDC, so Business Data Cloud. What is it really? How do we kind of demystify it? Any thoughts on that?
Yeah, sure. In February last year, SAP launched the term SAP Business Data Cloud. And to demystify it a little, it's really not the product. It's more like a framework of different solutions, technologies, where SAP is combining their own solutions and for the first time also opening up with third-party solutions in the area of analytics and data platforms. So that is a major change, I would say, in SAP strategy. And this, of course, makes it easier for customers to combine what they already have or have invested in together with the solutions from SAP.
Yeah.
And yes?
Go ahead. Sorry.
And going in a little more into detail, I think one of the inventions, I would say, that SAP is now bringing is for new customers that have not been on an SAP platform before. They are offering very accelerated go-to-market solutions for analytics in the way that if you invest in the Cloud ERP from SAP, you can also get more or less ready to run packages of analytics and insights based on the Business Data Cloud, which is a completely new thing compared to before.
So just trying to frame that a little bit for the listeners here. So we have, some of the old cube thinking where you grab data stuff and you get your intelligence and so on. Why should a client care today? Why is BDC something to even look into for a client, would you say?
Well, if we assume that we're talking about the client that is already running an SAP analytics platform, that would mostly be the business warehouse component. That is a very widely spread component. It has been sold to a lot of customers around the world, and it's soon now coming to an end. End of mainstream maintenance is 2027. Then, of course, you can extend it a couple of years. But I would say it's a dead product. It's not going to be developed anymore, and it's based on rather old technology. So with Business Data Cloud, we talk about things like SAP Datasphere, where you build up the new data models, and it's very quite easy, I would say, compared to BW, because now we're talking about SQL technology. You leave the old APAP framework, which of course is a change, but also a possibility because you open up.
Yeah. So thank you for demystifying this a little bit, and also, bringing clarity to a lot of clients that might listen to this. And I know that we've held a few workshops with clients, without naming any names, that came to us with exactly this question: what is this? How can this affect my business and so on? So I find that really, really interesting. So not going against the stream, but actually inviting it, especially if you already have it in your house, right? So, but Johan, hopefully we can talk more about this. Thank you very much for joining Implema Talks. I'm sure that we will catch a few more insights into this area, as this is one of the spearheads for SAP going into the future, I guess. So thank you very much, Johan.
Thank you.
Thank you.